HIV rates are declining in the United States, but overall rates in several groups are actually going up. That's just one of the stories we're talking about with Dr. Crystal Foster today in Baylor Medical System. So new research from Centers for Disease Control and Prevention shows the annual HIV diagnosis rate in the U.S. decreased more than 30% between 2002 and 2001. Dr. Foster, can the same be said for Dallas County?
Yeah, Dallas County actually has very similar declines in HIV rates. We're at 27% compared to the 30% in the national average. The one key difference is the CDC is finding that across the nation, young gay or bisexual males, that rate has actually doubled. In Dallas County, we're seeing an increase in African Americans being disproportionately diagnosed with HIV.
Okay, so I guess it's a little mixed bag.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah, regarding the groups.
Let's turn now to cervical cancer. There may be a better way to predict that. How is that?
So we have two tests now that actually look for cervical cancer. The one we know of is the Pap smear, which is where we scrape cervical cells and then we actually look under a microscope to see changes of cervical cancer. Well, there is a new test, HPV testing, which we do concurrently with Pap smears that actually tests for the virus that causes cervical cancer itself. And a new study published in the Journal of Cancer Institute, from the Cancer Institute, shows an increased rate of diagnosis with the HPV test alone, and that it's better predicting even negative tests for Pap smears long term.
So do you even need a Pap smear anymore?
You don't, well, you may not need a Pap smear based off these results. However, the collection process is the same. You still need a pelvic exam in order to get it. So didn't dodge that bullet.
Okay, yeah, that's where most women would prefer to not have to deal with that anymore. But anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I just have to, we get emails all the time, and everybody's asking about Dr. Foster. Yes, there's a baby on the way. Yes? When are you due?
September 6th is a due date.
Okay. Go ahead and tweet out a congratulations if you'd like to. We're so excited. Love watching your progress as you come on. A big